Are you having problems with your Bybit app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix this problem. So basically what I did myself was that I firstly closed the Bybit app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I went into the settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, I just scrolled down in here, and then I clicked where it says general, so I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now on this page, I scrolled down again and I clicked on storage in here, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now on this page, you're just going to scroll up like this, and then you're going to click on search in here, search for Bybit. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now just click on offload app in here, and then once again click on offload app, and then click on the blue button here once again. So basically, you're just going to now wait for the Bybit app to completely update to the latest version, which you need to be able to do to try to fix this problem. So basically, I did this myself. I just waited for the Bybit app to completely update to the latest version. I went back and then it was working for me. So try this, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well. If it still is not working, it might be either your Wi-Fi connection, your mobile data connection might be weak also, or it might be that the app itself has some big outage right now, and we need to wait for them to actually fix it before we can access it. So that can also be the issue, just so you know. But I hope that this tutorial will be able to fix it for you.